Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so that's what you're into. Just keep watching and let's get started. Okay, I need to get something on the lips. I just want something simple. So let's go with this Profusion Dreamy Lip Plump. It's in the shade Pretty in Pink. And this is just kind of give a little gloss. Nothing too crazy. Also, my base has been on for quite some time. It's looking, damn, it's looking rough. But that's okay. We're just going to ignore that. It's been hot. I've been sweating. Welcome to almost October in the Midwest. So the first order of business, my BFF and I had aura photos done again. It's kind of our thing. If I can figure out how to get this out of the package. I'm going to show you mine, because last time I had one done, it was like yellow and orange. And this time it's like completely different, and so was hers. So, can you see that? There it is. So what was like really interesting was, this is hilarious. The back of this says, don't put in mouth. Do people do that? Anyway, it's like this little green thing, like right where my heart is. That was really interesting. And so she said like the things up here, like the dots, those are like your past lives or like spirit guides. And my BFF and I both had 5 of those. So that was interesting. And yeah, just like the green and the blue, like that's pretty much all I was. My BFF had like so many colors in hers. It was so pretty. I mean, like I like this too, but then the lady said like, cause there's like black around me. Crap, what did she say that was? I don't even remember. She's like, if you have any questions, you can like email me or whatever. But so she circled the colors. She said there was tan on mine. I don't see tan anywhere. But for the green, it said like self-healer, growth, goal-oriented, creative, well-liked, values, decisiveness, perseverance, ambitious, reliable, efficient, observer. And then, oh, it was indigo. She called it indigo, not blue. So for indigo, deeply sensitive, ambivert, nurturing, healer, creative, sixth sense, third eye energy, mother's intuition, old soul, self-governing. I'd agree with that. What else? Oh, but one of the things she said was like people like me, with like the green and everything, I have to like be careful with like not forcing things. And I was like, that hit home. She's like, so something isn't just like happening, you know, you need to like not force it. Maybe it's just not the right time, or maybe it's not right at all. And I'm like, that is something that I do. So she's like, I just kind of need to like let go and let whatever happen. And like that really resonated with me. But then she also said there's like a sign of like something opening up. And I was like, is that a good thing or a bad thing? She's like, no, it's a good thing. So, and then I'm like really like healing and really like working on myself, which is really, really, really true. Like there have been some things that have happened in like the last month and a half that have really like opened my eyes and made me realize that like I have to take care of me. So enough of my TED talk. So yesterday I used Unearthly Cosmetics Fall Magic. Today I'm going to use Sigma Warm Neutrals. I'm just feeling like the deeper, darker, like maroony type vibes for fall this year. I'm just all about it. So let's go ahead. So have you guys ever had aura photography done? It's really cool. Like I really recommend it. Like if you're into that woo-woo stuff like I am, like I really recommend. It's a really, really, really cool thing. I think this place was called Happy Aura. She's from Arkansas, but she like does different places. So this was just like a pop-up at a coffee shop that's kind of not too far from us. Also, it was not supposed to rain, and like it poured down and rained like crazy yesterday. Crazy. All right, I'm going to start with the shade Passion Fruit, and we're just going to do the same look on both eyes. And like my husband's not going to work today, so I'm like, well, you want to go to Spirit of Halloween? Because I've been wanting to go and we just haven't had a chance to go yet, so might as well. So I guess that's what we're going to do after this. And I just realized I'm not going to be able to touch up my makeup. It just looks like really, really bad around this area. It's just very splotchy. Yeah. But again, it's been hot. I've been sweaty. Like, what do I expect, you know? Okay. I just took that shade and just put it like on the lower lash line. I don't know if I said that or not. Oh my goodness. All right, I need to find a brush. This is perfect. Now we gotta go in and we gotta like deepen that crease, you know? Oh shoot. That's just a little insert that I'm dropping everywhere. Let's go with the shade. Let's go with the shade Rogue. This shade right here. This is a beautiful palette, you guys. I had like 1 or 2 Sigma palettes, and then they had some really great sales last year, and I picked up several, and I'm just very, very, very impressed with them. They are really, really good. I'm so upset that I missed out on their Beauty and the Beast palette, though. Like the full-size one. They have a mini one, but I think even that sold out, so I'm just really sad I missed out on that, because that's something that I would have loved to have. And I'm just putting like a little bit more of that shade under lower lash line. You guys, it is so hot here. Like, I know you get sick of me saying this, I hate the Midwest because it just never cools off. I mean, it is just hot on hot on hot on hot on hot. It sucks. It's just not fun. Like, I want to be able to enjoy the outdoors more and cool weather, but that just doesn't really exist here. Unless it's like winter, and then it's too cold. Because like, I'm not talking like 20s, 30s cold. I'm talking like teens, single digits, negative. And then our summers are like really, really, really hot. Like mid to upper 90s to triple digits. So you just can't. There's no winning here. I can hear Indy moving around. She's supposed to be taking a nap because she was like really tired. For those of you that don't know, Indy's not a child. She's my dog. I mean, she's my child, my dog child. So there's not like a human child running around upstairs unsupervised. Or a puppy. She's in her kennel. But just in case you don't know and you're like, oh my God, you're just letting your kid run around upstairs. Alright. Now, this is just going to be a really simple look. I'm going to go in with the shade Amaranth right here. You guys, I kind of want to try something. So if you've been around, I've been mentioning this weird like beeping noise that is coming from our house. I have it on video. I might try and play it and see if you can hear it. And like, I have no idea what it is. I've heard it twice. Let's try this. Let's try this. Let me find that video. Is this it? Yeah. I also don't really know how to play videos on my phone. My phone is wonky and stupid. Okay, here. Do you hear that?
Paul's inside the house and that beeping. Can you hear it?
Can y'all hear that? Like, could you hear that? Isn't that fucking weird? And like, every time when I go to look for it, like it stops. Like it's, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know what it is. All right, I feel like I need to deepen the lower lash line just a wee bit. So let's go in with, let's go with the shade Russet right here. It's like it's got a slight, it's like a sparkle to it, but there we go. But yeah, like, it's just really weird, that noise. Like, I have no idea what it is. Like, we don't have anything that should, like, be making that noise. And it's something that, like, just recently started. All right, I also want to go in with this shade Beaming and just put it, like, in the center of the eye, that shade right there. Okay, didn't do a whole lot, but it's a little different. All right, I'm gonna go do liner, mascara, clean a little bit of this up where I got a little like wild and crazy like I always do, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. Let's do a little highlight. This is the NYX Buttermilk highlight in the shade Bright and Butter, right there. A little bit on the nose. All right. If you know, you know. All right, let's do a little final look-see. Perfect, perfect, simple, easy fall look, just a couple shades. This is a Sigma Warm Neutrals palette. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I like the back too. It's got the shades. All right, you guys. So if I have, because I'm not sure if I've like posted a video since it came out, but if the hype button thing is down below, I think it's like where the comments are, and if you slide to the left or to the right, there'll be something, I think, that shows like a hype button. I might not have it because I'm such a small creator. I know it's supposed to help like smaller creators, but usually like there's a threshold. You have to have so many subscribers before you can access certain things. So I might not have it, but if I do, that is something that would greatly help me out. Just hit the hype button. And if you get like enough hype or whatever, it tells the algorithm that they should push your videos out. So that'd be something that'd be a huge help to me. If you wouldn't mind doing that, I'd really, really appreciate it. Also comment anything down below. Let me know, like, seriously, if you ever had aura photography done, and if you have, like, what was your aura? Do you feel like it matched up with where you're at? Because like from my understanding, your aura can change from day to day. or from like month to month or whatever. I guess just depending like what kind of headspace you're in. But I'm just curious if you ever had it done, because it is really cool. I would recommend it if it's something that you've never had done before. And if you can find a place that'll do it like more affordable, because some places charge like a lot. So I've gotten lucky both times I've had it. I've gotten a pretty good deal. But yeah, you guys are just tell me how you're doing. How's life? Just let me know. And yeah, give this a thumbs up. That also helps. Share my content. Yeah, just I appreciate y'all so much. I think next video I'll film. I've been using some Japanese hair care and I'm really liking it. So I might kind of show that off to show you guys, because I really like what it's been doing. Like I've been using it for like a week and my hair feels a lot softer and I like what it's doing. So yeah, so maybe I won't be able to film next week because I'll be staying at my mom's house that weekend and like there's no way I could film with like both dogs running around being crazy. So yeah, it might be a minute before I get to film a video. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. As soon as I get a chance to film another one, if I'm still liking the hair care, I'll show you guys and talk a little more about it. It's very affordable. I got a shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, and an oil for like $32 and some change off of the Talk Shop. So yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Remember that you are beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.